Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Esmeralda, but most people like to call me Esme. And if you guys aren't yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to hit that little red button. I would really appreciate it. So as you guys have seen in my previous videos, I've been staying home as much as possible during the last couple of months because of everything that's going on with COVID. I just want to be safe. I don't want to risk it. I have been going out to pick up food or buy groceries, but of course I go with my mask and that's basically all I go out for. But today my sister and I decided that we should go and do a little photo shoot. So we're actually gonna go drive to like a forest preserve, and it is like an hour away, but I saw some photos of it and I really liked how it looked. It looked really pretty. So we're gonna go have a little photo shoot, and we're also gonna get some bubble tea, so I'm super excited for that. So this is what I'm wearing. It's just this little crop top with the little sun in the center, and then these paper bag jeans and my black Converse. I'm gonna actually show this outfit on my summer outfits video, and then I just have my little purse. So we're actually gonna head out now, and I'll see you guys once we get there. Okay guys, so we just arrived at Bubble Tea. We got our masks on and we're gonna go. I don't think there's a line, so it shouldn't be that long. Okay guys, we got our bubble tea. They look really nice. My sister got, what did you get?
Strawberries and cream.
That looks really good. And then I got banana
so
Foster. I don't know what that is. Probably like caramel syrup. And yeah, we're really excited. We are here. We arrived at the place where we're going to be taking pictures. It looks so pretty. And I've been wanting to take some pictures with like that type of like field right there. So let's see what we get. Okay guys, so my sister's gonna take her photos first and then I'm gonna take mine after. These are better than the ones like this. Okay, you wanna go now? With your phone? With my phone?
Yeah, with your phone.
Okay guys, I think I got some. Now it's my sister's turn again. Excuse me. So we just finished our little photo shoot and we don't have our masks on because we're in the car, so everything is fine. We're not near anyone or anything. My sister's finishing up her boba. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also make sure to check out our Instagrams. They're going to be linked down below so you guys can check out the photos that we took today. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!